Welcome to Andro Indian. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hybrid project models and how they drive professional excellence in modern project management. In today's fast-paced environment, choosing between waterfall and agile isn't always enough. Sometimes the best approach is both. A hybrid model combines the structure of predictive planning with the flexibility of adaptive execution to suit specific project needs. The goal is strategic alignment, ensuring your methodology serves the project's purpose, scope, and ultimate value delivery. We often start with a predictive approach for high-level requirements and budget setting, providing a clear roadmap for stakeholders. Once we move into development, adaptive cycles allow us to incorporate feedback and pivot quickly, ensuring high quality. In the Indian context, where complex infrastructure and rapid IT growth meet, hybrid models offer a necessary competitive edge. The synergy between these models reduces risk through upfront planning while maximizing satisfaction through iterative delivery. Governance and accountability remain central, providing the oversight needed to maintain standards across different methodologies. It's about creating a robust value delivery system that prioritizes outcomes over strictly following a single process. This requires holistic thinking, looking at the project life cycle as a whole rather than a series of disconnected phases. Embedded quality is key. By shifting quality checks left, we ensure professional excellence from the very first sprint. Consider a large-scale logistics project. Upfront planning handles the massive infrastructure, while Agile manages the software updates. Using frameworks like Jetpack Compose within an adaptive execution phase allows for rapid UI adjustments based on user data. Meanwhile, the predictive side ensures that hardware and physical infrastructure are delivered on a fixed schedule and budget. This hybrid approach balances the uncertainty of software with the rigidity of infrastructure, significantly lowering overall project risk. Performance domains are monitored throughout, ensuring that both the agile and waterfall components are performing optimally. Hybrid models foster a culture of continuous improvement, where lessons from each cycle inform the next phase of the roadmap. Success in hybrid projects relies on true leadership rather than mere authority, empowering teams to make decisions within their domains. An empowered culture is essential for hybrid success, allowing for the flexibility needed to navigate complex project landscapes. As we look toward the future of project management, the hybrid model stands out as the most versatile tool for professional excellence. Mastering hybrid models is more than just a strategy. It's a commitment to value-driven delivery in an ever-evolving world. Visit us at androindian.com for more guides. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.